Another recap. Finally, finally, I'm home, so I can make the video. But I gotta be quiet because people are sleepy. So if you've seen my TikTok, you could see the trade was a winner. Finally, bro. It's been too long, and it was low key really good trade, and I used a lot of confluences, and that's what I'm gonna be going over right now. So, starting out on NQ on the 4 hour, determining the bias for today was really difficult. I really didn't know what I wanted to do because I see we had this imbalance right here where price drew up past it, then came back and filled it like inverse fair value gap and kind of went up. But I don't know. It was just kind of weird. I didn't know what to do, so I kind of had to go down to the higher or the lower time frames to try to determine the bias. So if you look on the 15-minute right here, you can see that imbalance, that impulsive down that we were filled and retraced back into equilibrium on it. Um, Draw it out. So yeah, I didn't know what I wanted my bias to be originally, so I had to go down, like I said, to some little time frame, smaller time frames. So we can see right here, we draw this PD array and we be traced back into the discount zone, and then price has a big impulsive move up after sweeping previous day lows down here. Um, so this is when I decided to go bullish and wait for we had news at 9 a.m. Originally, I was debating if I wanted to take a trade because Powell was speaking and Trump was speaking, so that kind of was I wasn't gonna take a trade, but I seen a setup that I really liked, and I took the trade. And so we scale back down. If we scale to the 5 minute chart, you can see this is a trade that I took. um, we had this. All right, let me go back to the 15 minute. So yeah, price came into the PD array and shot up, and I don't know if you would count this as a breaker block right here, but it came into this area support, I guess, or this breaker block went up. So scaling into the 5 minute, after this impulsive move, we had some chop. We had Powell speaking at 9 a.m. So I waited like 5 minutes after that to look for trades. And you can see we have this huge imbalance right here. And you can see right here, if I go to the 1 minute, waiting for price, I'm bullish at this point, waiting for price to draw into that and give me a confirmation to enter long and to try to target these previous day highs up here. And the confirmation I had was this tap into this fair value gap and a bullish SMT formed on NQ and ES. So if we go to the ES 1 minute, we tapped same thing. We tapped into a fair value gap right here, but instead of making a higher low, ES made a lower low, but NQ made a higher low inside of a bullish fair value gap with a bullish SMT. So obviously, I was waiting for a reaction to go long off of, and that's what I did. So my entry was alpha, just like a green candle up. You can see after this SMT, we had a doji candle and then a move up. And that's where I entered my trade at. And it kind of tapped into this area twice before deciding to go up. And I had my take profit one at 40 points. And then I had my take profit two at 80 points. And our take profit one ended up getting hit. And then take profit two was so close to getting hit. But I had moved my take profit two stop to below this fair value gap right here. So that's where my take profit two got stopped out at, and my take profit one hit. So basically a good trade. And I'm looking at trying to find the reason the price. Yeah, okay, so price came in and didn't end up sweeping this liquidity from previous days, but it drew into bullet or bearish order block and fell down. And that's what happened. So ended up reversing off of this bearish order block and looks like retraced back into this fair value gap and started trending up again. But this market has been terrible to trade. Let me go to the 4 hour. Like it's just chopped. We're not going in any direction. We're just sitting here up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's ridiculous. And finally back on my feet with another winner. And for the first time in a couple weeks. And I really just have to be patient and waiting on confirmation for my entries. Like yesterday, I didn't wait for any confirmation, but waited for confirmation on this one. And I entered the trade. I mean, the macro ended we took the trade right at the end of the macro too. So that was nice. Anyway, if you're watching this video, I have a Discord link in my bio. It's not finished yet. Well, that's how I plan on like building a community in the future for my trading and just taking this day by day and trying to get better and better at mastering my craft each day. So that's all I really got for today, and hopefully making another video tomorrow. See ya.